welcome. My name is Ishikemerini and I'm a product manager at Tarragon Group. So this month marks my 5th year of working as a product manager, and essentially I've done a compilation of my frequently asked questions, sort of like a Q&A, questions that different people have asked me along my career journey. So come with me, let's review the questions and you can get to know my answers. The first question is, what is product management about? And essentially I can't count the number of times I've had people ask me that question, and sometimes you see the blank look on their face when I say I'm a product manager. They're like, huh? What does that mean? And then I take up my time to just explain to them what product management is about. So I just told them that I manage software IT products. Essentially, I'm involved in every aspect of the product, right? From the conceptualization of what to build down to the design, how to build it. Also working with the software engineers to ensure that the right thing is built, and even the go-to-market strategy. Also, subsequently, if there are additional features to be added, I'm also going to be working on that. The second question that I get asked most of the time is, so what's the difference between product management and project management? So when I tell people that I'm a product manager, some of them go, oh, project manager. I'm like, no, product manager. And essentially sometimes I have to school them that, oh, okay, a product manager is all that I mentioned as my answer to question 1, while a product manager is more involved in timelines and delivery. A product manager is more strategic, right? It thinks about the product vision, what's supposed to be on the product roadmap, while a product manager is more tactical. It's very similar to the role of a scrum master in an agile methodology. Now, the third question, so many people always ask me, do I need a computer science degree to get into product management? And the answer is no, obviously. So an example would be in the product management team that I work in at the moment. So there are 9 of us, and I think just 5 of us have computer science background. Some of them have studied architecture, some of them engineering, chem engine, pet engine, so many other variations. I think I also have a friend that has studied quantity surveying, and he's currently a product manager too. So you see that there are several variants as to what a product manager can study. The most important thing is that you understand your user and you know what they want. Product management is a very versatile field, and there are several other important skills, I must say, right? But all of those you can learn as time goes by. The fourth question is the one on coding. So many people ask me, Ashikem, I don't know how to code. Are you sure I can be a product manager? Believe you me, I haven't written a single line of code in maybe 4 years. The highest I've done is work with API documents, or maybe made use of Postman. And I think once or twice I've had to review a product, a code flow with a junior engineer, but nothing too deep. So it really depends on where you're working as a product manager. I have some other friends who practice product management in other companies who have to write codes and who also have to work on their prototypes all by themselves, right? So it depends on where you work and the resources that are available in the organization. So I had to cut this video to make it short and concise. You could also just stay tuned and I'll be posting the 5th question subsequently. Trust me, you want to know what my 5th and most asked question is and how I answer them.